How to get Fullbright in Minecraft. So there's gonna be four specific files that you need to download for you to be able to have this specific resource pack. So first things first is just to open up any reliable browser that you have on your end, and then just simply head straight to MCPE Central. So this is actually a specific website in which you can download any kinds of resources packs just for Minecraft. So for Fullbright, you need to use the 1.21.5 version of the game directly from T Launcher, and then you just have to download this specific gamma files so that you can initiate the Fullbright. First things first is you need to download the Fabric mod loader, which is already included on your T Launcher pack. So download link is going to be here, and then you just have to simply install the Java for jar files. And then if there are issues with using jarfix, then there is an actual alternative way of fixing that. Now launch the game, and then just simply allow those packs to be loaded on your T launcher so that you will be able to use it. Now the other thing that you can do is just to launch your T launcher and then just head straight to each version right here, and then just simply choose on Fabric 1.21.5 and have it installed, and then once it is installed, then launch the game. That is the quickest way for you to be able to get the Fullbright for Minecraft.